Welcome to Craft and Design 2.0. Today we are getting creative with bullet shell crafts that transforms old shells into a unique pieces of art. Are you looking for a unique way to repurpose old bullet shells? Look on a further in article and video. We explore some creative bullet shell craft ideas that can a touch of personality to your home and the home decor. Upscaling old bullet shell is a great way to give a new life to the discarded material. With a little creativity, you can transform this shell into a beautiful and the functional pieces. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or a beginner, these projects are perfect for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their home decor. Do it by yourself. Bull shell crafts ideas. Wind chime. Drill hole in a shell and attach them to the metal wing or a wooden dowel. Add some wire and hang them up in your backyard or the porch. Use shell to create a unique pendant, jewelry, earring, and the charm. You can add resin, glitter, or paint to extra fill. Decorative vases. Glue shell around plain vases to create a beautiful rustic look, perfect for coastal theme decor. Add a shell to the plain mirror frame using a hot glue. Get creative with a pattern and design to add a personal touch to your home decor. Create a stunning mobile with shells, wires, and a few simple tools. Hang it up in your living room or the nursery for a unique decorative pieces. Experiment with different shell size, colors, and the texture to create a unique designs. Add some paint, glitter, or resin to give your craft an extra sparkle. Use shell to create a coaster, magnets, or the other decorative item. Get creative with the different materials such as wire, glue, and paint to add a texture and interest to your craft. Upscaling old bullet shell is a fun and a creative way to add a personal touch to your home decor. With these bullet shell ideas, you can create a unique, beautiful pieces of art that reflect your personality. So why you not give it a try? Let's creative and get started to crafting with bullet shell. When you're working with bullet shells and crafting materials, follow these safety tips. Number 1. Handle shell carefully to avoid injuries. Wear protective gloves and the safety glasses. Work in a well-ventilated areas. Use proper drilling and the cutting techniques, keeping material out of reach of the children and the pets too. Follow instructions for avoid hazard and the chemicals. Dispose of waste properly. Stay safe and enjoy crafting. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe.